As a leader, do you ever find yourself saying any of this? Nobody can do it as well as I can. If you want it done right, you just have to do it yourself. It's too important a task to delegate. By the time I teach someone, I could have done it myself with no mistakes. I just don't have the time to create a process and have others follow it. My name's Rashid Kotwal. Over 20 years coaching and mentoring hundreds of business owners, this comes up time and time again. And yes, I'm not immune from it either. But the reality is you can only get leverage, scale, and grow your business if you effectively delegate tasks. Which begs the question, what should you delegate? Play to your strengths. Do the high-value strategic work that you're good at. Stuff that gives you energy. Work on your business, not constantly in it. Delegate the rest. However, there are caveats. The people you delegate to must have the willingness, capability, and capacity to do the job. You must be clear in your instructions and the outcomes you expect. Include evidence criteria. How will you and they know the job has been done right? And if this is a repetitive job, have them create a process. This gives leverage and allows you to scale. Empower your people. Don't give responsibility without appropriate authority. Accept that mistakes will be made. This is how people learn. Now, delegation takes a particular mindset. You must hire people better than you in the areas you want to delegate so that you can confidently do so. And finally, realize that they may not do it the way you would. Allow them to figure things out. You might be surprised at how much more efficient they are. So if you feel you need help working out how to set priorities, what to delegate, and to whom, we're offering a free 30-minute session on our Impact Ease methodology, which will show you exactly what to hone in and delegate. You can contact me at rk@revealedresources.com or call me at 0414 91 334 to make an appointment. Till next time, this is Rashid Kotwal.